Today, we're going to review the Yeedi Vac Max. This is a combination robot vacuum and mop that can clean almost any kind of floor. It also has a powerful battery pack that can keep it running for over 3 hours. To find out whether it's worth your while, we'll need to look deeper into the details. At that point, we'll know enough to make an accurate judgment. First up, let's unbox it. Inside the box, we have a quick start guide, charging cable, side brush, 6 cleaning pads, the docking station, and the robot vacuum itself. Yeedi Vac Max has a similar circular design to most other robot vacuum cleaners. The build quality is quite good, and it has a nice design, with a white top plate and a black lower portion. On the top, near the front, there's a squarish black lens housing. This encloses the optical sensor. In front of that, there's a white power button. This can be used to initiate a cleaning cycle. There are additional sensors visible on the front of the housing, such as a slightly darker, shinier black bar. Inside the front portion, this model features a dustbin with a capacity of 450 milliliters and a removable water reservoir with a capacity of 240 milliliters. This reservoir is semi-transparent, so you can monitor the water level from the outside. The bottom of the Yeedi Vac Max is where you'll find the most interesting physical features. Near the front, there's a small wheel, which can rotate around in a circle. This wheel isn't used to provide power, but it is motorized. As it rotates, it steers the vacuum around. Slightly behind this wheel, towards the right, is a horizontal brush. This brush spins in a circle and reaches further than the outside of the main vacuum housing. It has a spiral formation, with alternating bristles and silicone flaps. A mopping pad trails behind this, although it can be removed if you're not using the mopping function. The Vac Max comes with a little base unit, which sits tight against your wall. When the vacuum is not in use, it sits in the base unit and charges. The vacuum function itself has 3 different levels: 600, 1500, and 3000 pascals. You can freely adjust the suction level from within the app. Alternatively, you can let it automatically adjust depending on the situation. In this mode, it will turn down on solid floors, but the power will ramp up as it traverses a carpet. To mop your floors, you remove the 240 milliliters water tank from the back of the Vac Max and fill it with tap water. Then you clip a mopping pad to the bottom of the tank and reinsert it in the vacuum. The mopping function is also adjustable with 4 different spraying settings. The higher the setting, the more water will be sprayed out. Better yet, when the mop is running, the Vac Max will automatically avoid carpets. The kit includes 4 microfiber mopping pads, which are removable and machine washable. I can set no-go zones that prevent the robot from entering specific areas. More importantly, zones can be established that apply only to mopping operations. When my robot is mopping, it avoids carpeted rooms and edges carefully. The internal battery has a capacity of 5200 mAh. That's enough for up to 200 minutes of operation on a single charge. Your actual performance will vary, depending on your vacuum settings. The higher the suction, for instance, the shorter the battery life. But no matter how you cut it, you're getting enough power to clean a very large floor plan. If your house is too big to cover in one go, that's not a problem. The vacuum will automatically return to its base unit and recharge. After 4 to 5 hours, it will be fully charged and pick up where it left off. If the dust hopper gets full, you'll have to empty it yourself. Overall, the Yeedi Vac Max is a pretty good robot vacuum. It has a reasonable design, and it does all the things that you'd expect. It's quite powerful, and it comes with a pretty solid battery. In addition, it's versatile enough to handle both vacuuming and mopping. Well, that's all for this video. If you liked the video, please like it, comment it, and subscribe to our channel. So see you around, and thanks for watching.